Next question is we have to find the nth smallest element in the array. So it's array of integers using JavaScript. So we have to find the nth smallest element. It can be first smallest, second smallest. So that's why we have mentioned nth smallest using Java streams. Let's see how to do it. So you're given an array and I have taken n as 3 here. Let's say if it was done in Java 7 world, what we used to first is we have to sort it, and after that maybe we have to skip the n minus 1 characters. Let's say third highest we are looking for, right? So first two we don't want, third one we need. So after sorting the array, so we were basically looking for the third element and we are basically returning. So it's basically return the sorted, let's say it is a sorted array. So if it's a sorted array, then index will be n. This is how we used to basically get it. So nth position. Let's see how to do it in Java 8 world. Okay. So in Java 8 also sorting is required anyways, that we can't avoid. So how to do it is, so let's start iterating on this an array, and we have to basically stream it. So okay, and after that we have to basically sort it. Then only we can find the smallest or highest number. Next is we have to skip n minus 1 number. So n minus 1, why? Because let's say I need the third highest. So I don't want the first and second highest here. So n minus 1 is 2 here. I will basically skip the first and second element. Third element I need. So after skipping the first and second, whatever the element comes first, right? That's what I need. So if this is present, what I'll do is I'll just print it. That's it. I hope you understood. I wrote it in a one line. I used to split normally, but I'm writing it one line. So first we are taking an array and streaming it. We are sorting it. Here we are skipping the n minus 1 elements. Means n is 3 here. We are skipping the first and second highest element. We are interested in the, so we are basically skipping the first and second smallest element. We are interested in the basically third smallest element. We are taking that and let's print it. So you can see we got 5 as the answer. So that's correct also because 1 and 3 is the first and second smallest element. So that's it. Let us say the requirement was bit different. We had to find the nth highest number. So here we found the nth smallest number. For highest number also it is simple. We just have to change this sorting logic. So basically we have to say the reverse order. So once we do this, we are getting an error because we can't apply it on the plain integer. So we have to do box string. So this will basically convert the primitive type integers to basically stream of integer class, and we are applying sorted logic on it. We are reversing the order. That's it. So comparator reverse requires an integer argument. So that's why we are doing this. Let's run this. So we got 8 as the answer, which is the third highest number. So first is 19, second is 12, third is 8. So I hope you got it. So we have to skip n minus 1 number. Whatever we get after that, right, we have to print it. I hope it's very clear to you. Let's move on to the next question.